we're back with Beardie&Me. Today we are going to open something that I have never received before. So this was exciting. I saw that there was a special code out there to try out this box. So I thought, why not? Let's give it a go. So this is the Vine-O box. And I'm just trying to pull off the address label because I forgot to do that ahead of time. It's easier to pull it off than it is to edit it out of the video. So it came really quickly. Like I ordered it on Tuesday and it was here by Saturday, so it was really quick shipping. I was really surprised. We have our packing slip. Now with this, they do send wine, so you have to sign for the box. Make sure that someone's home or you won't be getting your box. So the first thing we have in this box, if I can get it out. Beardie's like, I'm not sure what you're doing over here, but I don't really like it. Okay, so it comes with a box of items, and then it also comes with your bottles of wine. So I chose, I think the mixed sweet wines. No, I just chose sweet wines. So I got Speechless Sweet White. It's a 2020 California sweet wine. And then Tyne's California Sweet White Blend 2020. I don't drink a ton of wine, so most of the time I like the sweet wines. I have a lot of red at home and I just don't ever drink it. It does come in this nifty container to hold it, to keep it steady, so that your wine's not going to break. All right, where are you going, little lady? Let's look in the box. Okay, so it came with letter. It says O, Vine-O. This talks about what's in the box, the value of everything in the box, and it talks about each individual item. So the first thing it lists is the bottle of wine. I don't know if you can see that because the light's so bright. Talks about two of their wines and why they love them. Let's go ahead and this. Now this doesn't appear, what they sent on the cards doesn't appear to necessarily be what they sent me in the box. In here it's showing a hat, a necklace, eyeshadow, cutting boards, wine, but this doesn't look like a hat or a necklace or cutting boards. So let's see what they sent. All right, this appears to be, I believe it's a scarf. Let's see. You going back to sleep? She may still be a little sleepy. She just woke up this morning and ran around and decided she wanted to be awake and drink, but she may not be fully ready to completely wake up. Okay, so this appears to be some sort of scarf or small blanket. It doesn't really say. I think you could use it for either because it's not real big. Oh, my hair. So I would use it as a scarf. Kind of had a funny smell when I flicked it around there. Okay, let's see what else we have. This is Primitives by Kathy. This is a hand towel. It says, comfy, cozy are we. And it has little snowflakes on it. That's very cute. There are some earrings by Zaritsky. They are studs. I will definitely use those because I love studs. And I always seem to lose them or someone steals them. I also have a necklace. This necklace is the one that's shown in here. EB & Company open circle necklace, $50. So the necklace is in here, which I'm excited about. Here we have a bag that says Sparkle and Wine. So this is a wine bag for those bottles that you just got. Very nice. That's super cute. Easy to take to a girlfriend's house. All right, this is an Artistry palette by Zaritsky Cosmetics. This is the one that's on the sheet. This is listed at $32. Let's see if I can get it open. Okay. These are some really nice looking colors here. Very neutral. I think these will definitely get used. This is a nice little palette. There's some sparkle and shine in there, and then some matte colors, so that is really nice. And that, like I said, goes for $32. This is an Athena palette by Laritzky. This has some pinks and golds and really kind of looks like a summer palette, if you can see there. This is really nice too. This is not listed on the pages at all. It lists the necklace and the cutting boards and the eyeshadow palettes, but this one is not on there. Okay, so here is the hat. The hat is listed as the Willow Collective Cozy Hat. It's $20. It's just a cute little hat. It has a fuzzball on the top. Ooh, and it is lined with fur. This is really nice. This will keep you super warm. So we could just put that on. Perfect. And then a Treat Your Elf Premium Sea Salt Caramel Dark Chocolate. So this is a $9 chocolate card. Let's see what it means by chocolate card. I'm curious. Okay, it's just a chocolate bar. It has like little squares. And then there's also a Merry Everything. There's two of them in here. And then there is the set of 2 bamboo cutting boards. So these are really cute too. You can use these to put cheese or whatever to go with your wine. So altogether, the cutting boards were worth $24. The necklace was worth $50. The eyeshadow palette $32. It says it comes to a total balance of $183 plus. Well, it definitely is $183 plus because I did get extra items. I got the extra sparkle and wine bag, the Athena palette. So this palette is actually bigger than the other one. It's the same brand. Then I got the extra earrings. There was an extra chocolate bar there too. So an extra $9 chocolate bar. There was this hand towel, and then also the scarf. So altogether, we got a few more items than what they said, which was awesome. I feel like this was a really good deal. Right now, Vino has a special out, and you can get a big discount if you want to try it out. So the box normally goes for $59.99 a month. Well, it's 4 per year, so it's kind of like a seasonal box. Right now they do have a code for 15 off. I believe I got mine for actually about $20. I think it was $17.99 with shipping and everything. But it was a special that they were running to try to get the word out about their box, which is awesome. I would definitely recommend it. The FabFitFun box is kind of similar, but they don't send you wine. And I feel like I almost got more things in this box than I do in that box that I really liked. So I would definitely recommend giving this a try. I will look and see if I can find any other codes or anything. I know on the website they are giving a $15 off code right now, but I'll see if I can find something else. And if I do, I will link it down below. So from Beardie&Me, she's gonna go back to sleep now. But we will see you next time.